the years, humankind have driven the waves of century along the innovations and development for the future. The existence of technology made it more spice to the bland taste of human life. However, not all of these spice can give a punch to suit to our taste. Some of these can harm our entire system, likewise notion of human gene editing proves that alteration of natural bind of life may cause severe negative impacts and danger. The concept of human gene editing is obnoxious idea to our natural world that disturb the balance of scale that our mother nature made. By this, I can show you in three different key points on why should gene, human gene editing be abolished under the ideas of fallacy, humanity, and reality. Fallacy in the sense that some of the scientists tend to conclude peculiar things just to prove their theories, in which making such scientific experiment must be minimized for it in undoubtedly an illogical approach, whereas we must always consider that the certain exception because before we can finally decide what's the right present for the humankind. Next, in terms of humanity, the experiment could possibly endanger individuals who are in the project. Most of these individuals join not because their will but because they need the remuneration that is being offered. At this picture, this is already an inhumane way of project. They're using opportunity the people who needs resources. Lastly, reality, as we all know that with the past centuries, as human trying to disobey the scale of nature, different catastrophes occurred. For example, biological weapons that were made had caused wars and resulted to massive disaster and casualties. And what if the human gene editing becomes successful? Then then we can already expect that some of powerful countries will begin to execute this project just to produce superhumans. With that, we can already ponder our minds that there is another set of war conflicts that could be occur. Henceforth, change is not a bad thing. However, this is there is an exception that must be taken care in which human gene editing is the one whose development must be stopped for it cause a great harm in today, present, and for tomorrow's future. Thank you and good night.